Hi, this is Mrs. Oakley, and today I'm going to show those of you that have not used Classcraft yet how to use this. Now, we're going to be using this in Math Lab starting today, and you're going to use it for all your standards. So we're going to first start with number sense standards. So once you log into a Classcraft, and I'll help you with that part, you're going to get onto your quest. To find your quest, you're going to go to this little tab over here, and you're going to click number sense standards. So this is going to get you your intros, because you're going to say start it. And that'll bring up this place value lesson 1. So this is our first lesson. So you're going to click on it. Now, before I do this, I want to show you that it's only going to show up one objective or one task to do at a time. So here is it. You're going to click on this word video, okay? But before you do, you need to get your notes. And I will show you where the notes are in the classroom so that you'll be all set for that. So you're going to click on this, and this is going to bring up a video that you're going to watch. Now, you need to watch the whole thing completely through. And when it's done, then you're going to go back. I'm going to go back to Classcraft. And I'm going to come back to my objectives, so my quest page, and I'm going to say task complete. Now, I'm not going to do that until A, I've watched the video completely, and B, I've completed my notes. Once you get done, notice it comes up with the practice. Now, I'm going to finish all of this practice. Make sure that you always put your email address in first. Then you're going to answer each one of these questions, and when you get done, you're going to hit submit, and then you're going to hit task complete. Now, if you do it and you don't finish the quiz first, it'll come up with that pink bar that says you have to finish the test. So I'm going to go here, I'm going to go here, and I'm going to go. I'm just grabbing. I'm not giving you the answers for this one. I'm just picking something. So I'm just going to pick all the first ones. How about that? Now that I've answered all of them, I'm going to hit submit, and then I'm going to say task complete. And then this is going to pop up something else. I got a practice review. If I got a practice review, that means I did not do well on my quiz, my first practice test. So I'm going to come here, and I'm going to see that it says to log into Edpuzzle and watch the video titled. And here's the title right here in these quotation marks. Then return here and click task complete. So I'm going to click in Edpuzzle. Obviously, I might have to just go up here. I'll show you. I'll get another one. Edpuzzle. You'll go there. You know how to do that. We've been doing that for a while now. And after I'm done with it, this one doesn't have notes because you will be actually doing answering questions on Edpuzzle through the video. Okay, then it's going to take me to a second practice. All right. And again, I'm just going to go through, and I'm going to, for the sake of keeping this video short, I'm just going to pick all the first, and I'm going to submit it. Then I'm going to hit task complete. Now, notice, okay, that it didn't let me go on first. Now it did. Okay, once I get done with my practices, it's going to take me to my should-do choices. So on here are your should-dos. Notice that there's 3 choices. First off, you could go to Khan Academy, you can go to Book It, or you can go to Boom Cards. Now, Book It, I can click it. These other 2, I'm going to show you how to get onto them. Boom Cards you already know, but I want to show you today how to get onto Khan Academy because it's going to show your score. It's going to show that you did the task. So once you've done one of these 3 tasks, you only have to do one. Can you do more than one? Sure. Can you do all 3? Yeah. You're going to come back here and say, I'm done. And then it's going to take you to your mastery check. And then you're going to go ahead and do the same thing. And for the sake of time, I'm going to go ahead and click all the first again. Remember, I'm not giving you the answers because I'm not even reading these, so don't pick my answers. Okay, I can click view score to see how I did. Ooh, I only got 2 right. Okay. And then I'm going to come back here and say task complete. Now, because I only got 2 of them right, it's going to take me to another review. Here's another review. It says to go to Clever or at Khan Academy on Clever, and here's our title, Place Value Blocks. When I'm done watching the video, I'm going to come back here and say task complete. And then it's going to give me a second mastery check. Once you're done with your second mastery check and you've passed it, it'll take you back. It'll take you on to the next lesson. Notice that all these bubbles weren't there. They come one at a time. Notice that the task that you have to do is in a blue, purplish blue ring, while the others have a black ring around them. Okay, that is how we work our Classcraft. Now, I want to show you, here's where you can see if you got any kudos, any good jobs. You can see other friends in the classroom. Okay, you can look at equipment. This is where you can buy stuff, but you have to have points. And how do we get points? Well, we get points by finishing our tasks. All right, good job. I will see you for the first lesson